So we picked up this oscillating multi-function power tool from Freight. We're gonna put it to the test and see how good it is. Let's open it up. Chicago Electric. And with the little tool. And just scraper. Comes with the 80 grit and 60 grit sandpaper. Sandpaper adapter. Little Allen wrench. Pretty sure this is just common sense. Who needs to come instructions? What's this? I don't know if I need that. So we're going to be cutting out the 2x4 today. Got some little grooves to install your adapter. Good. Maybe you should read the instructions. It's just common sense. Watch it fly off. I got my safety shield on. Little dust mask. Just using a bandana. Yeah, so instructions.
Doesn't even take the instructions out.
There's a little speaker. 1 to 6. Put on 6. Go big or go home. Should just test out this little part first. Make sure we don't want to cut through the floorboard. It's almost there. Look at that. You gotta give it to Harbor Freight. Easy cuts. Think about the Chicago electric power tool. For 40 bucks, it's not that bad at Harbor Freight. But the only thing I would suggest is you get your own little cutting blade. Get a better one than Harbor Freight. As you see, it's kind of chewed up the teeth on these 2x4 knots. But cut it out pretty good for the 4-base. So for 40 bucks, not bad. Pick yourself up one of these at Harbor Freight. Just for 40 bucks.